Hey everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to be filming another Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. You guys loved my last one. Like, everyone was like, do more, and it's like my most viewed video, so I figured I'd do another one for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to take is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. I have not been wearing foundation lately, and I honestly love it. I just like put concealer on, and it's like perfect. My first vlog is going to be uploaded in like 10 minutes, and I'm super excited. I scheduled it to go up at 8 o'clock this morning, and it's like, what time is it? It's 7:47, so it's gonna go up really soon, and I'm super excited about that. I loved vlogging this week. It was so fun. I'm actually vlogging today too, so yeah, I don't know why, but I thought vlogging was so fun. So get excited for more vlogs because I'm so blind. Like, what? I was looking on the floor for this, but it was right in front of me on the table. Wow. Yeah, so get excited for more vlogs because that's definitely gonna happen because it was so much fun. It's officially my spring break now, which I'm so pumped for. I feel like our spring break's like the last one. Like, everyone already had their spring break, but no, we get ours now, but it's okay. I'm pumped for it. Florida on Monday. I cannot wait. I'm gonna try to vlog in Florida. Not sure if it will happen like every day, but I definitely want to vlog in Florida. So I leave for Florida on Monday, but today I'm driving up to my grandparents. They live like 3 hours away from where I live, so I'm driving up to my grandparents today, and we're gonna hang out with them for like the day, and then drive back tomorrow, pack for Florida, leave at like, what time do we have to leave? Like 4 in the morning, I think? Something like that, maybe 5. I think like we have to leave at like 4 in the morning. I think our flight's at like 5 something in the morning, or like 6 something crazy early. But it's okay because then we just get in earlier and then we're able to do more things, you know. Next I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Classic Ivory. And I don't know why, but I have like been loving Maybelline products lately, and I've actually been using all drugstore products lately, which is, I mean, I mostly use drugstore products anyways, just because I think you can find some like really great ones for really affordable prices. But this makeup routine that I've been doing lately, like I've been doing this for the past couple weeks, has been all drugstore. And even my brushes are from the drugstore. I will like try to link these down below or something. These brushes are amazing, and they were $20, and they came with 6. Like, you can do a full face makeup with these brushes. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I don't know how to pronounce the brand. I'll put it on the screen. I do think these brushes were limited edition though, so if you want to get them, you gotta get them soon, I guess. So next I'm taking the Sunset Glow Bronzer by e.l.f. You guys know I love this bronzer. I've talked about it in literally all of my makeup videos, so yeah, but I'm just taking this and just gonna apply it to the temples. I'm taking the same brush, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Pink Rose. I love this color for a blush. Like, just look how pretty that is. Sun is still coming up as I'm filming this video, and that's only because we're leaving kind of early to go to my grandparents' house, so that's why I'm up. I definitely would not be at this up on a weekend if I wasn't going to my grandparents. But actually that's kind of a lie. I normally wake up around like 7:40ish, 8 o'clock on weekends. I just like not want to sleep in, but I never this up and like ready at this hour. Next I'm gonna take the Rocket Volume Express mascara and just apply this all over my eyelashes. And I haven't been curling my eyelashes lately, just because I think this mascara does a good job. I'm not the hugest fan of this mascara, just because I feel like it flakes off kind of, but I do like the effects of it, you know. This video has been really short, but like my new makeup routine is like not long at all. Like, I can do this in like 5, maybe less minutes. Get excited for so many more videos because I have filmed and am filming so many more. That way I can just like edit the whole time on the plane, which is going to be super exciting. I want to eventually start posting every other day because I am not doing like a spring sport or anything, so I'll have like time on my hands. So I want to like start posting every other day, and I know I wanted to do that in the summer for sure. So I'm kind of thinking maybe start now. However, like sometimes I feel like I have more homework where I can't do it, so I'm trying to like maybe like start posting every other day. We'll see. We're gonna like try to film videos, and then maybe if I get like ahead enough in videos where I can start doing that, I will. So we hit 1,000 subscribers, which thank you like so much. That means a ton to me. Like, I can't even believe like 1,000 people subscribed to my channel. Like, what? That's crazy. I didn't see my weekly vlog. I did have my like reaction, and I guess like I saw it before, like I guess I reacted, but definitely still not reacting. I think you guys enjoyed this video, and I know it was kind of on the shorter side just because normally like I film like I have 20 minutes of footage and I only have half of that right now, so I know this video will be on the shorter side. But do you guys like shorter videos or longer videos? Let me know. And I will see you guys with a new video super soon. Bye!